Hey, and what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm showing you guys what Nigerian police did to Falz and Mr. Macaroni when they're paying tribute to the persons that lost their life during the NSAS protest, guys. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion in the comment section. So guys, in this video you can see Falz doing a live Instagram recording of Nigerian police shooting tear gas at them, and this goes to show how the Nigerian government have thwarted the Nigerian democracy system, guys. Also, after all this stuff cooled down, you can see Falz and Mr. Macaroni granting an interview where they were also helping other citizens that were getting arrested by the police, guys. So sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your opinion in the comment section.
The number one citizen of this state, Lagos State, said, look this way, video is everywhere, you know, just Google it. He said, they are aware of the incident that happened. The next day, I think, Australia, he said it. And he said, all those responsible will be held accountable. So if the governor of the state can admit to killing here, I don't want to hear another thing. Besides that, the panel has confirmed, the panel set up by the same government. The same government set up the panel, and the panel confirmed the killings. The government and the panel made recommendations, and to date, none of those recommendations. Members of the Nigerian army killings by whom now? Security agents or other government or something? What do you mean other government? Come on, don't do that. Security agents, of course, in Nigeria. Well, I said, go on YouTube, listen to the videos right here. Listen to what government says. Someone has already been arrested. So let's intervene. All right, let's go. Let's intervene. Yeah.